Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change miles to km in Garmin Connect. Changing distance units from miles to kilometers in the Garmin Connect app is quick and straightforward. Start by opening Garmin Connect and navigating to Settings. In Classic mode, click the down arrow next to your username at the top right and select Settings and Modern mode. Simply locate Settings from the menu. Once inside, go to Display Preferences and look for measurement units. Here, you can switch from miles to kilometers or select any other preferred unit. After saving your choice, all distances in the app, including shared activities from hiking, walking, or running groups, will be displayed in the unit you selected, making it easy to track your workouts the way you prefer. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.